Hello students, I am Arun Shaha and I am back with my next video. In my previous video, we learned how to change the voice of a sentence from active to passive if the sentence is in present tense. Now in this video, as we have discussed earlier, that we will learn how to change the voice of a sentence from active to passive if the sentences are in past tense. So the formula which we will learn today, the formulas rather, which we will learn today, will again make voice change easy for you. Now, the formulas of past tense of voice change are very easy and these are similar to what we have learned previously. So, if you follow my video and if you follow the formulas which I teach you, then voice change will become easy for you. Now, how to change the voice of a sentence from active to passive if the sentence is in simple past tense? Now, if the sentence is in simple past tense, then how to arrange the sentence in passive voice? Subject plus was were plus V3 means the third form of the verb plus by plus object. Look at the example. Tiasha wrote a letter. So this sentence is in simple past tense. So how to change it from active to passive? Just use the formula. Put the subject a letter, then was were. So after a letter we put was. Then V3 means the third form of the verb. Third form of wrote is written. Then we put by. Then we put the object. So the subject will come in the place of object. A letter was written by Tiasha. This is how we change the voice of the sentence from active to passive if the sentence is in simple past tense. Now, if the sentence is in past continuous tense, then how to change the voice from active to passive? Look at the formula. Subject plus was were plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. This is how we arrange the sentence in passive voice if the sentence is in past continuous tense. So let's write the example here. Now the sentence Tiasha was writing a letter is in past continuous tense. So how to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice? Just go by the formula. Subject will be a letter. Was were. A letter is singular noun, so we put was. Then being, then the third form of the verb, then by, then object. So this is how we change the voice of the sentence from active to passive if it is in past continuous tense. If the sentence is in past perfect tense, then this is the formula we have to use to change the voice of the sentence from active to passive. So if the given sentence is in past perfect tense, then this is how we arrange the passive sentence. Subject plus had plus been plus V3 means the third form of the verb plus by plus object. Let's look at the example. Tiasha had written a letter. So this sentence is in past perfect tense. So we have to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice. So how will we arrange the passive voice? Just go by the formula. Subject plus had plus been plus V3 means the third form of the verb plus by plus object. This is how we change the voice of a sentence from active to passive if the sentence is in past perfect tense. So students, today we have learned how to change the voice of a sentence from active to passive if the sentences are in past tense. And in my previous video, I taught you to change a sentence from active to passive if the sentence is in any kind of present tense. So we have learned to change the voice of the sentence from active to passive from all kinds of tenses. Now, if you study the formula and if you follow what I teach you and you write down the formula in a copy, in your grammar copy, and study and revise thoroughly every day and remember the formula, then I don't think you have any kind of problem during exam in voice change. So students, next day I am going to come up with another video on any other topic of grammar, and you keep watching my video and don't forget to hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Thank you.